Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious butternut donuts. First, ensure your butternut squash is cooked and pureed. You'll need 1 cup. Next, measure out 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget your wet ingredients: 1 large egg, 1/4 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get our dough ready. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: the 2 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg. In a separate bowl, combine the butternut puree, egg, milk, and melted butter. Then slowly add the wet mixture to the dry, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix for a tender donut. With your dough prepared, it's time to shape those delicious donuts. Lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 3-inch donut cutter for the outer ring and a 1-inch cutter for the center hole. Carefully drop the shaped donuts into oil preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry them for about 2 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown. Finally, let's add that perfect finishing touch with a simple glaze. In a bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar with 1/4 cup of milk until smooth. While your donuts are still warm, dip each one into the glaze, ensuring it's fully coated. Let them set for a moment, then they're ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description for the link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and happy baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.